Hello everyone. Today, let's read a famous story. This is the story of King Arthur. England needed a king, a good and strong king. One day, a magic sword appeared. It was in a big stone. The sword had a name. Its name was Excalibur. A message was on the stone. It said, "The person who pulls this sword is the true king of England." Many strong men tried. They pulled and pulled, but the sword did not move. It was impossible. A young boy named Arthur saw the sword. He was not big or strong. He just wanted to try. Arthur held the sword. He pulled it easily. The sword came out of the stone. Everyone was very surprised. Arthur became the new king. He was a great king for England. This story tells us something important. It shows that you don't need to be the strongest. True greatness comes from the heart. Thank you for listening. See you next time.